G'day, my name is Brian Peters and today I'd like to demonstrate the correct way to use Can Breathe. First of all, sit on a couch or a comfortable chair and relax your body. Remove the rubber mouthpiece. Place it in your mouth at an angle of a level or towards your nose. I find for best results at this angle is the most optimal angle. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Repeat this process for 2 to 5 minutes, but at first when you receive your product, maybe only try it for a minute for the first 2 days until your body gets used to the product. When using Can Breathe correctly, you'll see the ball bearing vibrate. Use the product in the morning and in the evening. But at first, only use the product for maybe a minute or two until you get used to it. After using Can Breathe for 2 to 5 minutes, you'll find mucus in the back of your throat. Just simply cough it up into a tissue and dispose of the tissue. As simple as that. Can Breathe comes with a small 5/8 of an inch ball and a large 3/4 of an inch ball to achieve positive expiratory pressure depending on your age and lung health. Do not blow into the product vigorously like this. The product will not work properly that way. And blow into this end of the product, not the blunt end of the product. My name is Brian Peters. Thank you for watching.